Good afternoon, traders. Today is June 2nd and it's 2:07 p.m. I'm up currently $1,588 after commissions. This involves 5 of my paid accounts that I used today and then 1 of my evaluation accounts. So, pretty good day. I was out of town for most of the week today, so this is my first day coming back and started a little bit late today, but still ended up decent in the profits today. So let's just jump into the charts. So here's the trades that I took this morning. So basically, I started trading around like 8 o'clock time frame. So what I saw was we had this market that just started rallying. This was actually a pretty good entry here too. If I started around 7 o'clock, we had some aggressive buyers here, and then just kind of pushed higher. There was some selling here, but nothing too significant. So maybe would have caught a decent amount of move here. But basically what I saw was as the market was drifting higher here, it hit this initial balance area, the extension, which is the 50% move of the initial balance, which is the low and high of the first hour. And as it first tested it here, we had, technically this bar, it was still green, but it was already showing 1,366 more sellers than buyers. Then this bar right here hit it at almost to the tick with 2,600 aggressive sellers. And then this thing kind of drew down lower and then retraced a little bit. I added a couple of contracts short here and still negative delta. It pushed a little bit higher. I added another one here. It was at 23, still negative delta. And then we sometimes I see this happening, which I wasn't really scared. My stop was pretty like probably around 42.88 here, 42.89. So we had this almost like a fake out. It like pushed to try to take out all of these sellers, have them get stopped out, and then pushed a little bit higher by like 2 or 3 ticks here. And then sellers stepped in, and that's when I started seeing sellers on this bar right here, this green bar. So I added my final contracts here for a short, and basically this thing, yes, sold off. And luckily I did basically catch the bottom here. Initially my target was around 42.78, but as it was falling, there was some buying going on here, so I just moved my target and locked in 1 tick from the bottom here, which was great. And then I had to run for the day. I couldn't keep looking at this. So and then this thing was the low, and it just pushed higher into the 100% extension line, almost to the tick here as well, and then ended up selling off into the close here. So overall, just one trade, pretty boring overall, but like I think for first day being back was pretty good, and pretty interesting how got like fortunate here to catch 1 tick away from the bottom here. Nasdaq here was a little bit more like similar movement, but then yeah, it was really choppy here, and that was actually one of the other reasons why I locked in the profits as it was falling here. Was it was just not showing much strength, so I just locked in the profits on ES. But overall, pretty choppy day after 8 o'clock here on Nasdaq, so nothing too much to report there. So that's pretty much what I wanted to cover in this video, just to kind of give you guys an update what I was doing. If you guys like this type of content and want to see more of my trading, feel free to subscribe, and I'd love to have you. Also, Apex Trader Funding did extend their 80% discount until June 12th. So if you want 80% off all your accounts, just go to use my coupon code in the description, and you could get 80% off all your accounts. Like I think their cheapest accounts, which is a $25,000 account, will roughly cost about $30, and that includes a NinjaTrader license as well as the market data. So it's a really good deal. I would highly encourage it. So check that out, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much.